Castor oil, a thick and viscous liquid derived from the seeds of the castor bean plant, has been used for centuries for its various health and beauty benefits. One of the most popular uses of castor oil is as a natural remedy for promoting hair growth and improving the overall health of the scalp. Many people swear by the practice of applying castor oil to their hair and scalp every night before going to bed, claiming that it has helped them achieve thicker, longer, and healthier hair. So, how exactly does castor oil work its magic on the hair and scalp? Well, for starters, castor oil is rich in nutrients such as vitamin E, omega-6 fatty acids, and ricinoleic acid, all of which are known to nourish and strengthen the hair follicles. When applied to the scalp, castor oil penetrates deep into the hair follicles, providing essential nutrients that promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. In addition to nourishing the hair follicles, castor oil also has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can help soothe and heal the scalp. This can be particularly beneficial for people who suffer from conditions such as dandruff, scalp infections, or inflammation, as castor oil can help reduce itching, flaking, and irritation. But perhaps the most well-known benefit of using castor oil on the hair and scalp is its ability to promote hair growth. Many people who have incorporated castor oil into their hair care routine have reported significant improvements in the length, thickness, and overall health of their hair. This is believed to be due to the fact that castor oil stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, which in turn promotes the delivery of nutrients to the hair follicles and encourages hair growth. So, how exactly should you go about applying castor oil to your hair and scalp every night before going to bed? Well, the process is actually quite simple. Start by warming up a small amount of castor oil in your hands, then massage it into your scalp using your fingertips. Be sure to focus on the areas where your hair is thinnest or where you are experiencing hair loss. Once you have thoroughly massaged the oil into your scalp, work it through the lengths of your hair, paying special attention to the ends, which tend to be the most damaged and in need of nourishment. After you have applied the castor oil to your hair and scalp, you can leave it on overnight and wash it out in the morning with a gentle shampoo. Some people prefer to cover their hair with a shower cap or towel while they sleep to prevent the oil from getting on their pillowcase, but this is not necessary. If you find that the oil is too heavy for your hair, you can also mix it with a lighter oil such as coconut or almond oil to dilute it and make it easier to wash out. It's important to note that while castor oil can be incredibly beneficial for promoting hair growth and improving the health of the scalp, it may not work for everyone. Some people may find that castor oil is too heavy for their hair type, or that it causes irritation or allergic reactions. If you experience any negative side effects from using castor oil, it's best to discontinue use and consult with a dermatologist or hair care professional. In addition to its benefits for the hair and scalp, castor oil can also be used for a variety of other purposes. For example, many people use castor oil as a natural remedy for constipation, as it is believed to have mild laxative properties that can help promote bowel movements. To use castor oil for constipation, simply take a small amount orally or mix it with a beverage such as orange juice or tea. Castor oil can also be used topically to treat a variety of skin conditions, such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it an effective treatment for reducing redness, swelling, and irritation, while its moisturizing properties can help soothe dry, flaky skin. To use castor oil on the skin, simply apply a small amount to the affected area and massage it in gently until it is absorbed. In conclusion, castor oil is a versatile and natural remedy that can be used for a variety of health and beauty purposes. When applied to the hair and scalp every night before going to bed, castor oil can help promote hair growth, nourish the hair follicles, and improve the overall health of the scalp. Whether you're looking to achieve thicker, longer hair, or simply want to improve the condition of your skin, castor oil is definitely worth considering as a part of your daily beauty routine.